So I'm going to show you how to use different languages on different apps on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So you can do that by going to settings. Under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then you should see the option app languages. Tap on that, and then this is where you will see a list of all the apps on your phone. Now, all the apps by default, if I go for instance into an app like Google Chrome, all apps use the system default language by default. Excuse me. So you can actually change the language of a specific app to a different language. So for instance, I can pick that language to be used in Google Chrome. Now, when I restart Google Chrome, it should speak that language that I've chosen as the interface language. So you can see when I go to settings, you can now see it does not speak English, even though uh, the rest of my phone speaks English in the user interface. All right. So that's how you can have different apps using different languages on your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.